you like pet animals?
Yes.
Okay. What pet animals do you like? Dog. Show the picture. Dog. Very good. You?
Dog.
You also like dog only. You? Cat. Don't talk. Dog and cat. Show the picture. Dog. Cat picture? No.
Dog.
Dog. You, my dear? Show the picture. You also dog. Show the picture. No problem. I tell me in English. No, it's nice only. Dog is eating something. Dog is eating biscuit. Dog and cat. Show the picture. Sit down. You also like dog. Nice picture. Super. Dog. Super. Cat. Super. Very nice. Horse. Super, my dear. Dog. You also like dog. Super. Show the picture. You should not hold it. What is this? Dog. Nice picture. Fish. Super. Cat. Parrot. Peacock. You love peacock. That is it. Okay. You? Parrot. You? What? Hen. Like hen. Okay. You? What do you like? Horse. Okay, start. Okay, now we are going to say something about this dog, cat, then parrot, then peacock, then hen, then fish. Okay, who are alive? Dog picture. Please come and stand here. Come and stand here. Form a line. Form a line. Hello, line. Form a line. I said form a line. Tanga, இப்படியே நில்லுங்க சொன்னேன். சேர்ந்து நில்லுங்க. டாக் யாரும் அடிக்கல அவ. இப்படி சேர்ந்து நில்லுங்க. Form a line. Okay. Show the picture. You must show the picture also, okay? First, nice picture, ma. You move this side. You are having parrot, you are having cat. You move this side. So, dog picture. These students are having dog pictures. So, they are going to tell about the dog. Okay? Move this side. First, I think Suresh is going to say about the dog. You must tell me about the dog. Others, please listen. Suresh is going to say what? About dog. Start, my dear.
My name is Sophie. I am studying 8th standard. Today I am here to tell about dog. Dog is a pet animal. A dog has sharp teeth,
Okay.
so that it can eat flesh very easily.
Very easily.
It has 4 legs,
It has 4 legs,
2 ears,
2 ears,
2 eyes,
2 eyes,
a tail and a mouth.
a tail and a mouth.
Dogs run very fast.
Dogs runs very fast. You should not stop.
It is a very clever animal
It's a very clever animal.
and it is useful in catching thieves.
It is very usually catching thieves.
And it is useful in catching thieves.
Useful in catching thieves. Okay.
A dog saves the life of master from danger.
Danger. Super. Clap for Sri. Okay, tell my dear. Roshni Fatima, you should not talk, my dear. Tell me. It is your pet animal, isn't it? What is your dog name? You didn't say your dog name. Do you have any name? Do you have any name? No? How do you call them? Hey dog, come, you call like that. Huh? What's your dog name? No name. Huh? Dawn. Huh? You must speak in English. Okay. Dawn. Her dog name is Dawn. Okay. Tell me about your dog.
Dog is domestic animal.
It's a domestic animal.
Dog.
You like dog?
I like
Stop talking.
I like black and sandy colored dog.
You like black and sandy color dog.
Dog has 4 legs,
It has 4 legs,
2 eyes, 2 ears.
2 eyes, 2 ears. It runs fast. That's all. Okay, thank you. Come, my dear. Tell me about your dog. What's your dog name? What's your dog name? Huh? Nani Tiger. It's your dog. Your dog name, I am going to tell. Huh? Okay. Her dog name is Tiger. Tell me about your tiger. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Come here. What? You are also having your dog? Same. What's your dog name? Rosie. Girl dog. Okay, tell.
The dog is faithful.
The dog is faithful animal. Okay.
It is a domestic animal.
It is a domestic animal.
Dog eats milk.
It eats only milk.
Milk,
Meat, biscuits,
curd.
rice. Okay, rice. Okay, fine.
Dog color is brown.
Your dog color is brown and white. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Tell me about your dog. What's your dog name? Huh? Darling. Dog name is Darling. Okay, tell me about your darling. Tell. Hi, darling. Tell. சொல்லுங்க உங்க டார்லிங் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க. You like dog? This dog is 2 years old. Okay, 2 வயசு ஆச்சமாப்பா இந்த டாக்க்கு. Okay. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears. Okay. Your dog is very small. Small one. It's younger one. Okay. This dog is very beautiful. Your dog is very beautiful. Okay. That's all. What the dog eats? Dog drinks milk, eats biscuit, then eats meat. Isn't it? Meat na curry. Mutton chicken la potta saapidana. Thank you. It catches thieves. Thirudanga pidikum. If any strangers comes, it will give sound. It will make noise, isn't it? Okay, tell me about your dog, Miss.
The dog is a common pet animal. It is of many colors. Some are black, some are white, and some are brown. Some dogs are tall, some dogs are short. Dogs are fond of many breeds.
Fond of many breeds. Okay, what is your dog name? Puppy. But you should not see and read. See how they told. You must say something about your dog. My dog name is Puppy. I like Puppy. It is white in color. It is brown in color. It catches thieves. It looks after our house very well. It eats flesh. I'll give biscuits every day. Huh? Like that you must just say something. Okay. Thank you. Come on, my dear. You finished? Come, my dear. Your dog is very nice. What's your dog name? Rosie.
I like dog. My dog is brown color.
Okay.
Dog
Brown in color.
Brown in color. My dog teeth are sharp.
Okay.
Dog is a domestic animal.
Okay.
Some dogs are tall, some dogs are short.
Short. Okay. What the dog eats?
My dog eats milk, curd, and meat.
And meat. Okay. Then what the dog will do? Dog என்ன பண்ணும்? Dog என்ன பண்ணுதாமா?
Catch the thieves.
It catch thieves. Okay. It barks. If any stranger comes, it will make noise. Thank you. Chella. Nice puppy dog. What's your dog name? Puppy only. Okay, nice. Tell me about your puppy.
The dog is a faithful.
You should not talk, my dear. You should listen.
It is a domestic animal.
Okay.
It is a 4-foot animal.
Okay.
It has 2 eyes, 2 ears.
Okay.
It eats milk, rice, bread, and meat.
Okay.
Its teeth are sharp.
Teeth are very sharp. Okay.
I like dog.
You like dog. You must say your own words. You should not see and say. Okay. Okay, my dear. Thank you. Next, that's all. What is this? Simba. Oh, super. Nice Simba.
Dog is a pet animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a tail. It is a faithful animal. It is a common animal. I love dogs very much. It lives in a kennel. It's play with me in every day. My dog is a breed of German Shepherd.
Super, my dear. Super. Very good. Thank you. Come, my dear. Tell me about your dog. What is your dog name? Dabu. Dabu Digu. Dabu Digu.
The dog is a faithful animal. It is a domestic animal. It is a four-foot animal. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a tail. Its teeth are sharp. The dog eats rice, bread, and milk. The dog is a common pet animal. It is of many colors. Its mouth is long. Its tail is medium-sized. It can grab the guard the house from strangers. I love dogs.
You must say your own words. You should not see and see, okay? You should not by heart it. You must frame the sentence and anyway, thank you. Okay, come next. That's all, huh? Dog is over. Yes. Next, cat. Who is having cat? Please come and stand here. Cat. Give it to her. Cat. Please come. Hello. Krishna is going to tell about cat. Tell me, my dear.
Cat is beautiful.
Cat is beautiful.
Pet animal is cat.
Your pet animal is cat. Okay.
Cat is
Cat eats
fish.
fish. அப்புறம் fish மட்டும் தான் சாப்பிடுமா? தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க. வேற என்ன சாப்பிடும்? Cat eats
Milk.
milk. அப்புறம் cat drinks milk. Okay. வேற முக்கியமான ஒண்ணு. கேட்டுக்கு எது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்?
Jellies. Rat.
rat. Cat eats rat. சிண்டே என்னதான் இது கூட சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறேன். இனிமே நீங்க வந்ததுக்கே சந்தோஷப்படணும். கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க. Cat eat rat and fish. Okay, thank you. சொல்லுங்கள். Cat.
Cat is a domestic animal. It has 4 legs. It has 2 bright eyes and 2 ears and a tail. It is fond of milk and meat. Cat is very active and smart.
Active and smart. Super. You are also very smart. Hello. Very nice. Very nice. Nice cat. Tell me about your cat.
I like cat. Cat is a domestic animal. It is a small animal. It has 4 legs. Cats are of many colors. Cats eat. It is eat milk.
It eats.
It is eat milk, food, fish, rat, etc.
That's all, huh? Thank you. Come in.
The cat is a domestic animal.
You should not talk, my dear. You should listen here.
It is many colors.
It has many
It
colors.
has many colors. Its skin is hairy. It is found all over the world.
It's found in all over the world. That's all, huh? What does the cat eat?
Fish.
Fish and it eats meat, rat, it drinks milk. It is very smart and clever animal. It runs fast, isn't it? Good. Thank you. That's all, a cat. Now, rabbit. Who is having rabbit? Anybody is having rabbit? No. Who is having horse? Please come. Nice horse. Please clap for me. Okay, tell me about your horse.
This is horse.
Okay.
Horse is a domestic animal.
Okay.
It runs very fastly. Horse has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 tail. I like horse riding. I like horse too.
That's all.
Horse eats grass.
Okay, thank you. Come, next, fish.
I like fish. My favorite fish is golden fish. There are many types of fish. Fish are different colors in different types. In my house there are 50 fish.
In your house there are 50 fish. What does the fish eat?
Food.
Huh?
Food.
Fish food. Fish food. What food? Earthworm. Fish food. Okay. Fish got sea okay. Now birds. Parrot. Tell me about parrot.
My baby is parrot. Parrot is green color. Parrot beak is red in color. Some parrots can be speak.
Some parrots can speak. Parrot seeds.
Parrot seeds, red chili and
Red chili. Nuts and
fruits.
yeah, fruits, nuts,
Seeds.
seeds, etc. Thank you. What is your favorite animal? Sorry, bird. Parrot. Tell me.
I like parrot. Parrot is green in color. Parrot eat nuts and fruits, seeds, etc. Parrot, it is a 4 legs.
It has
It is 2 legs.
2 legs.
It has 2
One beak.
Beak color is red.
Beak is red in color. Okay. Thank you. Come again. What is your favorite bird? Peacock.
This is the peacock. Peacock is our national bird, and its feather is very beautiful. Peacock eats the seeds, the fruits like rice, like that. Peacock is my favorite.
The petal. But nobody can keep it in your house. You should not keep it in your house, isn't it? What will happen if you keep the peacock in your house? The police will come and catch you. It's your favorite bird, that's all. But you can't keep it in your house. Thank you. Come, my dear. What is your favorite bird? Hen. Why do you like hen? Why do you like hen? Because it gives chicken. It gives egg. Huh? Yeah. இது சாப்பிடுறதுல இருக்கும். சொல்லுங்க.
This is hen. Hen eats
Seeds. Warm rice.
Egg give the
Hen gives egg.
hen gives egg
Hen gives us egg.
and chicken.
And chicken. If you fry the hen, that will be a chicken. Huh? Isn't it? அம்மாவா இல்லையா? கோழியை வறுத்தா நமக்கு என்ன? Chicken. அம்மாவா இல்லையா? That's why you like hen. Huh? Good. Thank you. See, so many of you like dog. Why do you like dog? எல்லாருமே ஏன் வந்து டாக் தான் ரொம்ப விரும்புறீங்க?
Because there is face.
It's a faithful animal. ஏன் எல்லாருமே டாக் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு? சரி தமிழ்லயே சொல்லுங்க. நன்றி விசுவாசம். அப்புறம் it's a faithful animal, lovable animal, caring animal. வேற வீட்டை பாரு, it looks of our house very safe. அப்புறம் if some strangers comes, it will make noise. Okay. So all of you like dog only. In this session we are going to study about the dog. That too, yes sir?